What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Jordan 6s Retro Denim. Alright? These sneakers were released December 2019 at the retail price of $200. Without further ado, let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what they look like. And in case you don't have these Jordans yet, they come in a box that look just like this. Alright? Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick, alright? Let me show you the bottom of the sneaker. And let me show you the top of the sneaker. Now, the first thing I noticed about this sneaker, guys, and everybody else noticed, that this material right here is denim. Basically made out of jeans material. You got the lighter blue color, the darker blue color. You got the red lace lock. Now, to me, Jordan really went out to make these sneakers right here look like jeans. You understand what I'm saying? And, you know, the leather patch, I think they really did good with the leather patch, where, you know, the part of your jeans where you put the belt through. You understand what I'm saying? That's kind of dope to me. There's many 60s that has been put out there. You understand what I'm saying? But I never seen a 6 that looks like denim. You know what I'm saying? That's got the denim material on it. That's kind of dope. That's the reason to buy this sneaker. And also, it's got the classic 6s retro look. That's dope also. All right. In my opinion, though, it'll be very hard to find something to rock this with. You know, that's why a lot of people might not want to buy it, or it might be slept on because people can't really find something to rock it with it. You know what I'm saying? I got an idea. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, the jacket I'm wearing right now, it goes with the jacket. You understand what I'm saying? Hat I got right now, it's made of denim, goes with the jacket. Let me show you guys the back of my jacket real quick. You know what I'm saying? Right. That's a Tommy jeans jacket. Give you guys a good idea of what you could rock with these sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Some jeans material. That's pretty much the only thing that could go with it. Either a jeans look or something, you know, dark green. You know what I'm saying? Like that. All right. And that's pretty much it, man. It's either you like denim or you don't like it. You know what I'm saying? If you do like denim, you're definitely gonna find a way to rock it. Like I said, it's a good idea to rock these with jeans. You know what I'm saying? Something that's denim. All right. I got this jacket right here from ASOS, and I also got these from ASOS. I'm gonna put my link below in my video, so you guys, if you wanted to shop from ASOS, you know where to get this type of this type of jacket or whatnot to rock with these type of sneakers. You understand what I'm saying? These sneakers right here, I give it 8 out of 10. All right. I think it's in its own league. If you wanted to dress down with it, it's different. You understand what I'm saying? You just got to be different to rock something different. And if you do know how to rock something different, then you'll be different. You understand what I'm saying? So not everybody will rock this. You know, not everybody could incorporate this into their style. You understand what I'm saying? Because they just don't like it because it looks like jeans, it's denim. But you can make it look good. You know what I'm saying? You can rock some good stuff with it. Match it up with some stuff to make it look dope. I give it an 8 out of 10. This is Scott Dukes approved. Yeah, I rock these sneakers. Got the retro look. And it's dope also. You know what I'm saying? This right here, it's lit for me, all right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're subscribed already to my channel, please click that like button. Share my video. Feel free to make a comment, all right? And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button. Share my video. Feel free to make a comment. And maybe next time, I just might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.